Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Sell Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I'm your host Martin. In this episode, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, crypto fighting to hold. Now, if you are catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be updated with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. They'll be pinned at top of the chat on YouTube, right? Thank you guys for being here, being part of this awesome crypto community. Checking out the crypto markets. Let's move on to the main screen. Let's go to the house. Jake says Rockets. Brentford versus Vegas. And then Jake says, chicken egg. Man, what is happening with crypto, right? What is happening with crypto? All right. Let's go to market cap. First things, looks as though we're trying, right? We're trying to break out of that triangle to the downside. It looks as though we want to recover right now. And like I said, the other idea is that we could still be in a downsloping triangle, just that, we're looking at a larger move if we go with the wicks, right? If that is the case, we might see a bounce near that bottom area, and we'll see how that goes, right? So again, that's one of the ways we're looking at this. Google, thank you very much for being here. So for now, looks as though we want to break back in. Nothing here that is bullish. Low, higher low, negative momentum, less negative, and low to high. Neutral at 41.89 did go down 1.31%. At some point in time, it got scary. It made me believe we're going to run down here to that 1.55 trillion dollar mark. And then try and go back up, right? Let's go back to let's go check out Bitcoin. Where's Bitcoin at? On the daily, this comment is from a lower time scale, so it shouldn't be here. Right, so nothing bullish. Still trying to hold below that 38,314. We got to overtake that area, right? We got to reclaim it. Otherwise, it's going to be trouble for us. And on this other chart where we have our support and resistances, we know we're in the middle of this dangerous zone, right? We did drop slightly below that 37,393. We reclaimed it. We're in the middle of this area, right? But again, got to get above 39,291 for us to do good again, right? Again, not a lot happening on the daily. As far as divergence, nothing else going on here. Is double bottoms and things like that. So let's go to that 4-hour chart. So we're looking at this yesterday. Sorry, this should go off to the 1 hour. That's where it was. All right, so we're looking at this yesterday as bullish divergence, right? And then we kind of had it on that hour chart that we were looking at. Just by the time that the candle closed, the 4-hour candle, it just shifted a little bit. But again, bullish divergence, tried to rally, hit the 20, rejected, moving below the 20, and dropping a little bit more, right? So we're going here. And again, on this move, still have that divergence. We do have a tiny break. Again, not what we want to see, but a tiny break. Bullish divergence, strong action. To the upside, we're going to go for that 20 moving average at 38,718 and see where we go from there. We're sitting neutral at 41.87 on the hour side, right? So, can you send me the chart preparing for war and I'll check it out? Or like the ticker or whatever it is that you need me to look at, and I'll check it out, right? So here on the 1 hour, taking a drop, right? We're looking for that drop with a potential double bottom. Remember I said one bottom here, one bottom here. I mean, percentage wise, it is in an area where you could say it's a double bottom. It doesn't look like a double bottom though, right? If we zoom in, we're not hitting near that same area. I was looking to say we're dropping more, even though it's like a 1% drop. But again, bullish divergence, strong action to the upside. We rallied, right? If double bottom happens, potential reversal. We didn't go for the double bottom. We also failed to break that neckline, right? So again, we didn't quite go for this move. We were looking for that move. We got it with the bullish divergence, just not with the double bottom, right? So what's happening? We are dropping farther down, right? We are dropping farther down. There was hidden divergence. I posted this on the Discord, right? If you're in the Discord, you got this here. The bearish divergence hidden, breaking us down. Strong bullish coming into play as to the upside, breaking above that 37,293 that we said we needed to get above. Right now, we do need to get above that 20s for us to go to that $39,000 mark. So, Bitcoin, again, dropping a bit more. So, bullish divergence, action to the upside, going for that rally. And again, like we said, right, there was this divergence here that is bearish in nature, right? That hidden bearish against the MACD and the RSI. Again, with that, a possibility for action to the downside broke down. Bullish divergence happening here. Strong bullish divergence against the MACD, against the RSI as well. And with that, again, getting that rally, right? Again, when we're looking at this live, Still managed to drop a bit. It's all good. Bullish divergence. Got a rally. Now bullish divergence. Getting a rally, but struggling with that 20. Get above the 20 moving average. 38,269, right? We're slightly below it. 38,254. So let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum 2,525. Where we're on the daily. All right, Ethereum potential double bottom. Still in an area we could call it a double bottom. We were looking for that bullish divergence for potential rally. It's still there, right against the MACD, against the RSI. So we're still waiting. Neutral at 40.72. And with that, again, we could get a rally, try to get above that 2,620. But all these depends on Bitcoin playing ball. For our chart, bullish divergence, right? We were looking at this. Just like Bitcoin pop, hit the 20, rejected, created more bullish divergence strong. All right, potential for a rally. Sitting neutral, 40.49. Let's go to that 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, right? Look, we're dropping more. We didn't have the bullish divergence that Bitcoin had back here, but here we do have bullish divergence strong. Potential for a rally, and with that, again, the possibility for actually the upside rallying, hitting the 20 and rejecting. We take it above the 20 for us to go and test 2,620, right? Now, a couple days ago, before I jump onto other things, a couple days ago, right? I posted it on the Discord, I posted it on Twitter. Some of you guys were talking about oil being at 109. And I ranted and I said, yes, oil, you know, with the demand and whatever's happening with the markets, people putting bans, potential bans on Russian oil, and Saudi Arabia not coming in to play ball and producing more, we're going to see this struggle with the price of oil. We could go, right, to 120, 130, and then it's 150. So we've hit at least the targets 120, 131. So we're okay right now. Oil's on track to potentially keep rising, particularly if the tensions in Russia and Ukraine don't de-escalate. We could easily see oil climbing still and maybe going to 150, right? So yeah, just watch out for that. It's still a possibility. All right, so you wanna see Bitcoin longs, I guess. BTC long. All right. Bitcoin longs at 43,171. Climbing, right? There is nothing bearish here so far. Bearish divergence developing on this last bit, but again, not to a strong green bar, which is where we're anchored to. But for now, I guess it's okay. Again, this last bit, we could also say against the RSI, we kind of have the divergence for a potential moving down, meaning could be getting this to come back down, maybe to a 20 moving average at 40,000 now. Let's really quick check out that BTC. Bitcoin shorts, right? And this is at 1,528. All right, getting that recovery, right? Meaning that maybe shorts values are going to increase, maybe. So squeezing the market, maybe. Not sure. We haven't looked at this in a while. I think this was one of the charts that our buddy High Card Jesus surely called for. Again, where did High Card Jesus go to? No one knows. Bearish divergence, action to downside, right? Overbought at 91.09. This means that probably a lot of longs should be going for action to downside, right? So that's probably why we're going to see the shorts take off. Nothing on the short chart, though. Right? Interesting, though. I wonder if this is going to be a sort of bear trap where, we're going to drop it down in value again, and that'll send Bitcoin spiking back up, right? Sorry. I'm not sure what time I muted the mic, but it might have been when I grabbed water, so. Anyways. Yeah, bullish divergence, right? Potential for a rally. Alright, so bullish divergence, potential for a rally. You guys see we pump. On the daily, also bullish divergence, right? So potential rally to 20 moving average at 24.88 right now on the 4 hour. Bullish divergence to 22.17, right? Those are our targets. Mike back, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Alright, so here we're getting this drop, right? Again, bullish divergence, potential for a rally, right? Strong bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. We have it on the daily, we have it on the 4 hour, we have it on the 1 hour. And again, we're getting the recovery, right? So, price to beat on this recovery. All the strong bullish divergence, we're still need to get above this high, right? And right now, that'll be our highest point. I mean, we could try a double top, maybe. Looking like a double bottom, right? Just like Ethereum was. So, one bottom here. Another bottom here. And going on that rally, and we need to get above this line for it to break the neckline. That's gonna be at 22.55 cents. So let's jump on and check out ADA. Before I jump to ADA, I bought. Yesterday I was talking about 3D printing. I bought a 3D printer today. FDM printer, so it's gonna be running on filament, and I think it's a good jumping point. For 3D printing, it was cheap, $250. I need to get it imported from the US, so I'm gonna get it on Monday of next week, and then put it together, level it, and start running some test prints to make sure everything's right. So I think I'm gonna have fun with that, right? Again, I want to print some crypto stuff. I want to print some other stuff that I found online already, which again, it's pretty cool. And if it's good enough, I might just buy a resin printer later on. And we'll see, right? Again, I want to get some cool crypto stuff. What am I going to print? All right, so I think, first of all, I'm going to paint the little boat that everyone paints, the benchy or whatever it's called. Then I think I'm going to print, my wife wants to print some rings for napkins for Easter. So that's going to be probably the second print I'm going to run if it works fine. I'm gonna try to run at first things that don't need supports and things like that, and then I'm gonna move on to some crypto stuff. We're gonna try to figure out how to print some nice Bitcoin stuff or Ethereum stuff. Just play around with it for a bit. Play around with the signing in 3D as well. Probably later on I'm gonna print some character busts of I don't know, Spider-Man, whatever I could find online. So yeah, I'm thinking about what I can print or what I can find to print. Again, we had bullish divergence here on the 1 hour, right? Potential for a rally. Those go on that daily. So on the daily, we had a bullish divergence. Potential fraction to the upside is still there, still present. So again, we could be going for that 20 at 89.8. We still go for that 95.3, but right now sitting at 80.6, right? Yeah, no, she wants. I mean, I want to print those with some like napkin rings for crypto stuff, but the ones she wants are for Easter, so they're gonna have like bunny ears, I think. What is up, Produce a Beat? Stinger for being here, man. Control 35.80 on the 4 hour, man. We have bullish divergence still, right? Just like Bitcoin, rally hit the 20, rejected. So again, a lot of the market looks similar, right? And there's nothing wrong with that. It just means everyone's following Bitcoin. Bullish divergence, action upside, neutral at, sold at 38.75. Again, still rally to the 20 at 83.5. Yeah, but yeah, 3D printing, I think is gonna be fun. I think it's gonna be a fun experience. 0.002, 0.003, lightly more as we're going down. There's bullish divergence strong against the RSI. So that's where I'm gonna draw it. And again, with that, a potential rally. Look, I found some dude that does really cool stuff. So Like, this dude creates really, really cool stuff. He goes by the name Eastman. But when you start, you get like 30 busts to print, like that Batman, like Thor. Not sure who this is. Some Batmans. Again, yeah. Whatever Captain, I forgot the name. The Russian version of Captain America. Harley Quinn, Skeletor, X-23, the guy from Half-Life, Groot-looking character. I'm not sure if it's Groot or not. Wolverine, not sure who that is. Looks like Apocalypse, Sinestro, Captain America, Scott Summer, Luke Skywalker, Scorpion, Doctor Doom, Hulk, Superman. You get a lot of, like, just for like signing up for getting the basic package stuff. Plus whatever he comes up every month. So I think it's gonna be a good experience printing these things. Yeah, I think this could be sweet. Yeah, it's fun. So 3D printing soon. And then for crypto stuff, I'm thinking about, like, stuff that you can, like, put around, I guess. He makes them. He designs those busts and those characters. So he's sculpting them. Yeah. So I think he can sell them. And he comes up with, like, I think 3 each month for his patrons. So we'll see. There's some guys that are doing some cool stuff on 3D design. So yeah, I know what you mean by license to sell them, right? But yeah, I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure they're cracking down on that yet. I mean, I'm not sure how it works. If you're an artist and you create something that looks like Spider-Man and you sell it, I mean, is your rendition of Spider-Man? I'm not sure how much stuff there's there. I have no clue. Anyways, yeah, I'm thinking about, like, getting some of that stuff printed out. But again, I'm thinking about, like, what crypto stuff I could print. And I'm thinking about, like, things I could put magnets on. You could, like, wear around or put on your jacket, like patch, sort of. But being, like, plastic. Not sure. Still figuring it out, but cool crypto stuff to print, I guess. Print Seamus's. Someone said print Seamus keychain, but I'm thinking about printing, like, Seamus. I gotta figure out how to turn him into a 3D character to print him out. I think that's gonna be interesting. HC 5000 says he wants to buy ADA below the 60-cent mark. Yeah, a lot of people want to get ADA lower prices, right? But again, if we look at the daily, we're floating in a no support zone. Right? Not a lot of support. We're at the bottom of whatever it is that we bounced here, right? Not even hitting any of those areas, just maybe some wicks, right? So from way back here, and this we're talking, February 2021. So if we look at this again, not a lot of support. Next area for support, there might be some around this area. I think we said, like, the 50s, and then below there is gonna be 40 cents. So ADA, it could be in trouble if it doesn't gain footing again. And I think what's keeping it alive is the fact that Bitcoin hasn't taken a major drop. Bitcoin dropping from where it's at, like going to the 30Ks again, this is definitely gonna drop this. Maybe to the 50-cent mark or 60-cent mark. So yeah, ADA could be in trouble, right? Ethereum is going to be the same. Ethereum was holding okay. Right now, it's just suffering. Look for this double bottom to come into play and rally. But again, for that to happen, Bitcoin needs to either stagnate or pump. And I'm not sure Bitcoin wants to play ball right now. Bitcoin's it's acting weird. It's not acting 100% as a store of value, but it's also not acting as a high-risk asset, because for high-risk assets, you tend to see a lot of volatility or people fleeing from them. So I think Bitcoin is just being awkward right now. It's been the weird one out, I guess, on how markets are reacting to what's happening. So interesting. Anyways, guys, we're gonna be in Vegas on Thursday. Streaming from Vegas. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I think Sunday there's not gonna be a stream because I fly in and I get in here until I think I leave Vegas around 5, and then I get in here around which would be 7 p.m. I guess, and then I get in around 10 or 11. Yeah, it's gonna be insane. So yeah, I'm not sure. There's gonna be a stream on Sunday, but you know, at least while we're in Vegas, we're gonna be streaming from there, and that's gonna be a lot of fun. So if you're going to Vegas, thank you for joining us. If you're not going to Vegas, I mean, sorry, bro, but you should go to Vegas, man. We're gonna have a lot of fun there. There's still rooms available, right? There's still space available in the room that we have. So if you guys want to crash there, it's fine. Again, like we said, the room's already paid for, right? Amazing Bible study in Vegas. Yeah, we're gonna be in Vegas from the 10th to the 13th. Preparing for war, got a comped room. So room and board is taken care for. We're gonna get a penthouse at the Mirage. And then preparing for war is sorry, that's preparing for war. And then this is me, said he's gotten a comped dinner at Vegas, which is gonna be, I think, tomahawk and lobster. I'm not sure if that's what he said. So we're gonna have a lot of fun, and I think everything's paid for, right? Again, just the room. All you gotta pay is your travel expenses and your meals, and that's it. So I mean, and whatever else you want to do, like gambling or going to the shows or whatever. So yeah, it's gonna be fun to be in Vegas. HD5000, it's all going down on the Discord, man. If you want to join, there's still time, right? Andrew's also going. I think he's arriving on Friday. Yeah, we're like there's still room left, so I'm not sure how much room. Preparing for War probably has an idea of how much room we have left. But yeah, like I said, you know, rooms are covered. At least one of the dinners is covered, and all you gotta do is just basically pay your own travel to get there, and your meals the other days. So yeah, it's gonna be fun, right? I think so far we're 4. I think it's this is me, but he's staying. He gets comped his own room. Then preparing for war. Andrew, me. I'm not sure who else is going. There's people that still were on the fence, so we're still waiting on confirmations. But we still have room for 3 more. But it's this Thursday to Sunday, right? Yeah. And again, preparing for war said, you know, if whoever's arriving, we could coordinate for them to be picked up at the airport. So, Jake can't go, and I think May also said he might miss it, but yeah, we're gonna have fun in Vegas, right? So just remember that it's gonna be good streaming from there. It's basically hang out, you know, with people, chilling. Yeah, let me know, guys. Right, let me know. Okay, if you guys are interested on the Discord, again, links up at the top of the chat. Go on the Discord under Troopers. If you got Trooper Roll, right, you're gonna see this area here. It says Vegas Trip, and then you know, we are scheduling everything. I mean, you have to have Trooper Roll. If you don't have Trooper Roll, let me know, and we'll set it up. Again, it's just for being here on YouTube, you get Trooper Roll. So again, that Vegas trip is happening. So just go on the Discord, and if you want to go, if you're interested, again, all you gotta do is you cover your travel expenses, you cover your meals. Again, the room's covered. One of the dinners is covered. So think about it, right? On that note, guys, we're gonna be calling you a stream again. I can't go too long right now. I had COVID. I'm good now. My tests are coming back negative, so it's all good. I still gotta take a test before I travel. They do require for international travel that you present a negative antigen test for COVID. which I know already it's gonna come negative because I've been testing negative. So with that, I had really bad coughs and things like that, so my streams cannot go too long for now. And in Vegas, we're gonna see how things go. I know it's gonna be cold, so I'm not sure how good I'm gonna be with the cold weather. It's the first time I'm gonna be traveling to a cold place. Mexico City has been quite warm. We didn't get a good winter. Mexico City right now is around 68 Fahrenheit, and then in the lower portion is like 47. I think Vegas we're gonna be hitting quite a cold weather. I think Vegas we're gonna be looking at maybe 60s, 55, 64, 71. Then on the lower portions, 37, 42, 45s. We'll see. So we're gonna have fun there, man. Ask your wife, get permission. Bible study is gonna be fun. We're gonna have a great time. So it's gonna be a lot of fun to be there, chilling, and yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna be calling it a stream before my voice keeps on going. So I'll take some rest and things like that. But thank you very much for joining again. Remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purpose only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. So with all that said, remember, this is So Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on an awesome Monday night. Again, so close to Vegas. Can't wait for Thursday. And on that note, I'll catch you again tomorrow, guys, for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.